backwards. Confirm that. Let's go left this time. I keep going up? Yeah, I go up. So he's doing a large orbit around the neighborhood here, and it looks pretty good so far. If you play around with this orbit a little bit, you can get some pretty nice detail. He's flying around pretty good. He's coming over the top of us now. It shows we have 27 satellites, and I got about 46% battery left here. And there really isn't too many options to do with this little drone. There's the droning, which I've already done, and then there's this orbit. And I'm going to play around with the orbit a little bit because that's kind of the nice portion of this. And you can bring the gimbal up as you're doing the orbit, which you can't do that with the DJI drones or any other drone really that's doing the orbit. So let's go around one more time here. When he comes around the other side, I'm going to try to do a bigger orbit, see how big I can go here. Once I get him back in sight, and we'll see if we can catch a lot of the city in our orbit, which would be kind of cinematic. We should have enough battery left. We got 41%. As soon as he comes back around there, we'll see if we can widen up our orbit. Get a better part of the city. He's coming around then. That was a pretty good sized orbit that we just did there. He's catching a lot of the city. But I'd like to catch some of the downtown area also. And we'll see when he comes back. He's almost back into place now. There he is, so let's stop. So we're going to start right there. Confirm that. What's that? Let's stop that. We don't want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to do the orbit. Okay, we're going to confirm that. Now we're going to go back quite a ways. Let's see how much of an orbit we can do here. That's 100 meters back. We'll confirm that. And we'll do it right. There he goes, maybe. And we're up about 56 meters, which ought to be plenty good for everything in the city here. And he's doing a pretty good job. We'll bring that gimbal up and down as we go. You can kind of see where he's at there. Yeah, nice sky today, cloudy. Clouding up a little bit and getting warm. Yeah, he's flying over the front of our house there now and around. He's doing a pretty good job today. Bad thing about this Mini, you can't really land him because he's so, I don't know, he's not consistent with his landing. So I just grab him and hand land him, grab him with my hand, and then he's okay. But this is the version 2, like I said, the yellow version 2, and he doesn't have the greatest camera on him. I'm getting a weak signal out. That's better now. And as he comes around this last time, I'm going to bring him over and land him. And then as he comes over, I'm just going to stop him and then grab him by hand, because he doesn't land the best. But he's overhead now, coming around, and as soon as he finishes this orbit, then I'm going to go ahead and bring him over here to landing, because we're about 28% battery, so we don't have too much left. Yeah. Weak signal again, so let's bring him. As he comes over here, I'm going to stop. As he starts coming down, I'm going to stop him. I'm just going to grab him by hand. And that will be a lot easier than trying to land him. If you try to land him, next thing you know, you're in the grass, and that's not good for the props. The props are pretty soft. I can see him here now. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm just going to bring him down and grab him. He gets a little wiggly.